Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add favorite in TradingView. So first of all, we have two sections. First is our tools and second is our indicator, how to add both of it as a favorite. So for tools, you can just press your tool and you can open this side arrow, and in the arrow tab you have many kinds of line. Compared to your other tools, they also have many branch of kits. So basically you can just add this to favorite, and as you can see it have popped out at here. This you can move around, and if you want to add more than one, you can just press as favorite. Same like other tools, they also can add as favorite, as you can see. So basically when you add tools, it's more convenient for you to plot your graph. And for indicator, how to add as favorite. First of all, when you apply the indicator, it will automatically open up when you log in to the same account. For example, I want to log in back. So basically it will show the indicators that you used just now, as you can see here. And if you scared that the indicator will be gone or missing, or you unsave your indicator, you can just press these two indicator templates and you can just save the templates at here. So basically it will save on the cloud, and next time you open it will just pop up. So yeah, basically that's all for how to add as favorite in TradingView. So if you want to trade with TradingView, you can check the description link down below and start now. Thank you.